And this looks like Dr. Tindley here, his number one assistant, Andrew J. Sellers, and maybe some of the others around him were the local ministers, because he had a staff of 50 ministers who helped. I mean, and when you have a membership of over 10,000, you need help. Yes. This isn't dated, but you can see it had to be prior to 1933 when he died. So this is Tindley in its heyday. This does not look like an organ. I'm not sure what it is. I just don't know. Maybe it's the beginning of the organ installation, which means this picture would date back to maybe 1926. Okay? You see the robed choir. So this is probably a worship service. Tindley would beg the members at the first service not to come back so that the other members could have a chance to get in. In those days, the evening service carried a larger crowd than the morning service in many of our churches. I was confronted once about that. Oh no, that wasn't the case. I said, I always do my homework. If you read in Adam Clayton Powell's autobiography, Against the Tide, and in other places, the reason the afternoon service was so large was many of our people were cooks, were maids, were chauffeurs for white folk. And Sunday you had to be there to get them to their church, not that it helped them much, and to make sure they had the big Sunday afternoon dinner. And then after dinner, you were released. And that's when you came to church. So the crowds were always larger in the afternoon.